Stop wasting your time on useless Telegram earning systems. Hello everyone, I'm Alan Chester. Today I want to test one more Telegram money system. Right now I already have some money coming in, you can see my wallet balance on the screen, but I still keep searching for new ways to make even more online. A lot of people right now search things like how to earn money in Telegram, how to make money online, and similar methods like that. Most of these systems look exactly the same. You probably also remember Hamster Combat. A lot of people were tapping every single day trying to make easy money from it. At first, some people actually made money, but later many users could not even withdraw normally. And then crypto airdrops became very popular too. And recently I started seeing many Telegram prediction bots too, especially those one-win predictor systems. There are now hundreds of similar bots inside Telegram, and today we are going to test one of them. You also probably know about P2P trading. People use platforms like Binance trying to find ways to make money online every day. So today, I want to see if this Telegram system is actually real or just another fake method. Alright, let's go guys. So in my channel, I click here, this one. So here you can see some interesting interface. Alright guys, let me just write here start. Okay. And I click this link, close this one and continue. After this, I will press next one here. Okay, and for today, I will choose 10 bombs just to check how it behaves. So I click here completed. So I need to open the game and choose here 10 bombs. Okay, 10 here and close it. So I click next step. And after this, I need to adjust some settings which helps to identify me and synchronize to this bot. And without this settings, this bot can't work. So I should be sure that I'm writing here correct settings. So I send it here, and the same gonna be with second one. Okay, so I paste it, and the last one here gonna be 195. I write it here. And now it's loading, guys. Okay. Oh, sure, now I need to do this thing. So I open this game, close this one, and I click this blue button. Loading for now. And green one. Again, loading. So I'm going to choose something like this. It's loading. So now I copy it. Oh my God, okay. And now I go further, open this app just to paste it. So I click this one, send, and I paste it here. Okay, after this, I'm going to fill this one. Next, continue. And now it's loading, guys. And finally, it's processing, guys. I think we can start soon. Let's try to check it. So I open this game again and try to reload it. I close it. And open. So loading, and yeah, nice, I already got it, so we can start. Let's continue. And finally, I got it, guys, let's go. Here I need to fill this one. I choose 10 bombs here, and I click this one. Blue button here. Let's go. Boom. Boom. And boom, boom. Wow, and last one. So, boom. Oh my God, guys, it is insane. Wow, it is freaking crazy, guys. Okay, so let's just continue. I need to fill this one here. Something like this. And I click here next one. I got it, guys. Let's go. Boom, boom. And boom. Boom, and boom. Oh my God, guys, just look at this. No way, guys, wow. Okay, without any extra words, let me just click this blue button. I choose this. And how much was here? Again, open this, and I fill this one. Something like this. And I need to open this app. I click this, and copy. So I paste it here. And blue button, And now I got message about my request. I'm so excited, guys. I will just open this app and wait for loading. Okay, so I just want to open this app and try to reload it, guys. So now it's loading. I close this one and this one. And let me reload it. Oh my gosh, nothing for now, guys. Oh my god, no freaking way, guys. Did you see that? Here it is. Wow, damn, just look at this, guys. It is unbelievable. Wow. It was really crazy session, guys. Okay, right now, I'm going to show you how I could find it. I really appreciate you for watching this video. Here it is, guys, and it was Alan Chester. See you later.